live streaming in YouTube. Today I came live for very important questions for midterm examination. So many students are waiting for midterm examination, particularly the first PUC student. Whichever college you are studying, you are writing the first PUC mathematics midterm examination. For that, you require very important questions, I know. So 100% pass package questions. Which questions you need to focus for midterm, then you will get very good score in your particular mathematics subject. So that I will explain now. Please stay focused in PKMaths channel. Please share this video to all your friends, and definitely it is more useful for the students. So before starting the class, as a PKMaths material for KCET JEE Mains now available in Amazon. In the Great Indian Festival it is available. Please purchase this. Open the Amazon app, PKMaths material, you can type it and you can purchase this book. Both material 1 and material 2, it is available for only $475 after discount in the Great Indian Festival, Amazon Great Indian Festival. Please book it. You will get it within 3 days. Delivery cost is free. There is no delivery charges. Free delivery is available in PKMaths material in Amazon. So please book this material. Students who are studying class 11th or class 12th, first PUC or second PUC, this book is more useful. Material 1 and material 2 both you can purchase. It is available in Amazon. In the Great Indian Festival you will get the discount. 2 books together you will get only $475. Dear students, come back to midterm important questions. Pass package. So many students waiting for the pass package and very important, how to score 70 plus in midterm examination, particularly first PUC, because you are studying in different colleges, different districts, but textbook is same. So whoever will give question paper, standard questions will be there. Those standard questions I will discuss with you now in today's class. Come back to the first chapter. Chapter wise very important questions I will discuss with you in this video. Please subscribe PKMaths channel, press bell button for regular updates. Please share this video to all your friends. Very important questions in sets chapter, dear student. Chapter 1 sets. What is the very important questions you need to focus means number of subsets you can focus, number of subsets. Second, A union B whole dash and A intersection B whole dash Venn diagrams. Venn diagrams important. Question number 3, convert into set builder form. Convert into set builder form is also important. Question number 4, n of A union B is equal to n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B. Proof also they will ask, and questions also they will ask from this theorem. Is also very important. And another question what we may expect is A union B whole dash equal to A dash intersection B dash. They are giving U value and A value and B value. So this question is also important for 2 marks, dear students. And after this, still more questions what we need to understand in this particular chapter. Sets is by using n of A union B union C, we have formula. Chemical C1 but not chemical C2. Chemical C1 but not chemical C2. Question 1, example question is there in that chapter. That question also you can focus. Okay. These out of these 6 questions, any 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 or 6 questions also maybe they will come. We don't know. So these are very important questions from sets chapter. Dear students, after my video completing, my class completing, you can freeze the video and you can write the questions. Okay. This is the chapter sets. Come back to relations and functions. The second chapter, dear students. One of the main important questions you need to focus is in relations and functions. In relations and functions, dear students, the first and foremost question you need to understand A cross A cross A. Find the value of A cross A cross A. They will give A value is A comma B or 1 comma 2 or anything. Find A cross A cross A. Second question, n of a given some like 2, n of b is given some like 3. Find number of relations. Number of relations from a to b. This question also important. Question number 3, they will go like this. X comma x plus 3 where x is a prime number less than 10. Write relation, comma find domain and range. Like this questions they will ask. And the fourth one is f of x will give and like x square, g of x will give like 2x, and they're asking to find f plus g of x, f minus g of x, f into g of x, f by g of x. So this question also important. And come back to another question, root of 9 minus x square or root of 16 minus x square or root of 25 minus x square. They are asking find domain and range. Find domain and range. After this, you know very well, very important questions in this particular chapter is signum function, signum, modulus, greatest integer, identity, polynomial. As midterm contains only less chapter, that's why they will ask 2 questions from relation functions. Out of these 5 functions, any 2 will come for 5 marks. Like how they will ask the question is write the definition of modulus function and draw graph, write its domain and range. Like that they will ask the question. So very important, dear students. So these are the questions we may expect in the relation functions chapter, dear students. Please copy this in the later, you can freeze and you can copy it. And move to the next chapter, that is called trigonometry. Very important chapter, trigonometry, dear students, in first PUC. So which questions you can focus in the last minute? You have very less time for the exam. Compulsory you can practice these questions, then definitely will get 70 plus marks. In trigonometry, third chapter, what the questions you may focus is, dear students. The first question, as you know that cos of x plus y is equal to cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. Question compulsory you can practice because you know this is very important. Question number 2, convert degree to radian. Like they will give suppose 30 degrees or 300 degrees for convert to radian measure, or convert radian to degree. Radian to degree. This is a 1 mark question generally, like 3 pi by 4 convert into degree measure. Like that. If you come back to question number 3, dear students, what they can ask me, sine of minus 11 pi by 3. Find the value, or cos of minus 1710. Find this value like that. And question number 4, they can give sin x value like 1 by 2. X belongs to Q2. Find other trigonometric values. Other trigonometric values. So this also you can practice. Another question, find tan 15 degrees or tan 75 degrees. Okay, sin 15 degrees, cos 75 degrees, like that. Out of these 4, 1 question they will ask. And another question what we may expect is, dear students, you see in exercise 3, 21 to 25, every time they will give very important questions. These are very important. Before exercise 3, some examples are there, like before exercise, example. Before exercise 3, some example questions are there, 3 to 4 example questions. Those also very important in the exam point of view. Whoever will give question paper, these questions are compulsory they will ask. In exercise 3 in trigonometry, 21 to 25 questions are very important exam point of view. And the next, so what is the 7th question you may expect is in trigonometric equations, exercise 4. Exercise 4, in my session you can practice all the questions. You can practice all questions, okay? Because we cannot say which question they will ask, but some 1 or 2 questions they will ask for 3 marks. So you can practice all. So this you can practice, and also one clock question is there. Clock question is there in exercise 1. That also you practice, okay? So these are the questions you can practice from trigonometry chapter. So dear students, you can freeze later and you can practice and write these questions. Before going to the next chapter, principle of mathematics, just a small information, dear students. PK Maths material, it is now available in Amazon. From the last 3 years, so many copies already sold out. In the Great Indian Festival, you are getting the discount of this material. What is the use of this material? This material contains all objective questions, particularly mathematics. This is material 1. This is purely for first PUC syllabus, class 11. And material 2, completely class 12 syllabus, second PUC. You can purchase both materials together by 475 rupees. Amazon Great Indian Festival, you are getting the discount. So if you order, it will reach to your home by 3 days. So offer is applicable now. Discount is available. Please book in your Amazon app. Please open Amazon app. Press PK Maths material. You can book. What is the benefit of this book? Instead of purchasing different book, you can purchase only this book, because this book contains 18 different books questions. I referred 18 different books and I made this material. This material is more useful for the students who are writing the KCT exam 2023 as well as 24. Please purchase this book in Amazon. Dear students, I will move to the next chapter, that is called Principle of Mathematics. Principle of Mathematics, many questions are there. Solving many questions very difficult for you people. So for that, I will give at least 2-3 questions. PMI, question chapter number 4, PMI, Principle of Mathematics. Question number 1, 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus and so on plus n square. This you practice. Question number 2, 1 by 1 plus 1 by 1 into 2 plus 1 by 2 into 3 plus 1 by 3 into 4 plus and so on plus 1 by n into n plus 1. This model. Question number 3, 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus and so on plus n cube. This model. Question number 5, divisible. Some questions are there. Divisible by 11, divisible by 8, divisible by 7. That type of questions. Okay. Max, if they will give 2 questions, one they will come from this model, one they will come from this model. Divisible. Okay. So any practice both models, then you will get both questions answers. Okay. This is about the Principle of Mathematics. You can freeze it later and you can copy it. Now we'll move to the next chapter, that is called complex numbers and coordinate equations. Which questions you may expect generally, whoever, even in Bangalore. Very good evening. I don't know who is that name. So in the generally, dear students, question number, chapter number 5, complex numbers and coordinate equations. Complex numbers and coordinate equations. Which question you may expect in complex numbers? Question number 1, convert like I power 18 plus I power minus 19 into a plus ib form. You may expect this model question. Question number 2, like z is equal to 4 minus 3, I find multiplicative inverse. Multiplicative inverse. This particular value may be changed. Whoever will give, they will change the value. 4 minus 3 I given, somebody will go root 3 plus I, somebody will give 1 plus I, like that. Question number 3, which question you may expect is z is equal to 1 plus I, find polar form. Polar form of a complex number they will expect, you will expect. And one is the important question, x plus iy is equal to root of a plus ib by root of a minus ib. Then prove that x square plus y square equal to 1. This question is very important. In this model you have 2 questions. Practice 2 questions, one they will ask in the examination. Whoever will give question paper. Another one is in the coordinate equation, particularly like root 3x square plus root 2x plus root 3 equal to 0. Or some 1 or 2 questions are there. You know formula and you can substitute the value, you will get the answer. So that model question will come from complex numbers, polar form. So all are 2 marks, 3 marks, very important questions only from this chapter. Okay. Now there is no 5 mark question, complex numbers and coordinate equations, dear students. If you will move to another question like next chapter, linear inequalities, dear students. We are moving to the next chapter, linear inequalities. Chapter number 6, linear inequalities. Linear inequalities, what question we may expect is like 2x minus 3 less than x minus 5, find x, drawing graph, represent in a number line, represent in a number line. Number line, compulsory they are asking. If you see the previous question papers from the last 3-4 years, this type of question will appear in the female and final exam also. So very important question in linear inequalities. Second question, normal solving like x by 2 plus x by 3 plus x less than 6, find x. Okay, like that they will ask question. And third one, what you may expect is, dear students, graph. Graph of 2 equations will give. 2 equations and 3 equations also will come. So anything will come. So you can practice exercise 2 and exercise 3 thoroughly, because we cannot expect which question will come in the graph. So drawing graph you know very well. So practice 3 to 4 questions in the same order. So substitute x is 0, y value, y is 0, x value, like that you will get the graph. Dear student, before moving the next chapter, I want to share one information regarding the PK Maths material. It is available in Amazon. Live sale already started. 3 years onwards this material is available in Amazon. In the Great Indian Festival you are getting the offer price. 2 materials, material 1, material 2 together you are getting only for 475 rupees after discount. Open the Amazon app, type PK Maths material, please buy both material 1, material 2 together you can purchase. So in the exam busy you people are forgetting to purchase this one, purchase this material in the Great Indian Festival in Amazon. Thank you. I'll move to the next chapter, that is called permutation combination. Dear students, very important chapter. Chapter number 7, permutations and combinations, PNC. First one, find n. So like NCN is equal to NC8 something they will give, find n. Second question, even in permutation also find n question is there. Like NP3 is equal to NP4, n minus 1 P4, find n, something they will ask question. Third one, find R, some questions are there. That questions also you can practice. And by using the word permutations, we have one question. By using the independence, you have one question. And 2 coins are tossed. 2 coins are tossed, find the possible maximum values, that also you can expect. And the digit questions are there. A 4-digit number or 3-digit number tossed, we have 4-digit number, find the number of ways of arranging, like the digits questions are there, that also you practice. And the question by what you practice means cards question. You have playing cards question in example particularly, you can practice those questions. And also independence, permutations, so cards question, and even in combinations you have different types of find R, where NCR is equal to, and one more theorem very important dear students, NCR plus NC n minus R is equal to n plus 1 CR. Okay, so this theorem is also very important in the exam point of view in combinations. And one more in factorial notation also, 1 by 8 factorial plus 1 by 9 factorial is equal to x by 10 factorial. Find x. This is a shortcut you can remember. 10 factorial is 10 times 100. Like that you can find the answer. Okay. So this type of models will appear in the permutation combination. Particularly in this permutation combination, if you observe the previous model papers, they asked many example questions than exercise. Like independence question is example, cards question is example. Okay. 2 boys, girls, 1 question is also there, that is also example. So example questions compulsory you can practice in this particular chapter, then definitely you will get very good 5 marks and 3 mark questions. This is all about the permutation combinations. I will move to the next one, binomial theorem. Dear students, I will move to the binomial theorem chapter. In binomial theorem, what you may expect is, dear students, in binomial theorem, first you know, as you know, straight and true binomial theorem. Straight and true binomial theorem will ask. Some question papers we observed, they will only give the statement they are asking to prove, but some question paper we observed, straight and true they will give. That means you can write the statement and you can write the answer like that. Okay, that is also important question. Whoever will give. We saw in Bangalore many times, Bangalore district model paper and Kolar district model paper, even Tumkur district, even Chitradurga, everywhere. Even if you see Bidar, everywhere, this question is compulsory. It's standard even in the final exam also. Okay. Next, what we expect in this expand like 1 or 2 whole power 5 value, or some x plus 3y whole power 5 expand, like that they will do. And the third one you may expect middle term question. Middle term question you have in the exercise 2, I think, in this chapter. Yes, in the exercise 2 middle term is there. That also you practice. It's also very important middle term concept. So I cannot give exact question, because exact question nobody will give, because one lecturer will give one question, but the concept we can give. Compulsory concept which they will give in the final, even midterm, even final exam is middle term compulsory question. And also what we may expect, before exercise 2 you have one question like find the value of a. If T17 is equal to 18, 17 and 18 terms are equal, find the value of a. One question is that is many times we observed even in final exam also, in binomial theorem particularly. And Next question, binomial theorem. Find the general term questions are there. General term or find the 13th term or 6th term, like that questions are in exercise 2. Those questions also you practice in the binomial theorem. This is all about the revision. You need to focus the next, if you have exam tomorrow, you can practice these questions, dear students, in first 8 chapters of first PUC syllabus. Dear students, before wind up the class, I am remembering and I am informing to you one more time. PK Maths material is available in Amazon app. You can open the Amazon app, type PK Maths material. So in that you can book the directly material 1, material 2 together. You will get the discount price only $475 after discount in the Amazon app. In the Great Indian Festival, Amazon Great Indian Festival, this material is available. The benefit of this material, instead of purchasing 18 different books, you purchase only this book. This book contains 18 different books, concepts, questions, particularly for KCET. If you want to score more than 40 marks, this material is compulsory. Keep it with you. Thank you very much for watching PK Maths channel. I wish you all the best for your exams. Have a nice day. Bye bye. Your PK sir signing off.